What makes this certification different from others that I've participated in would be the engagement. Lisa and Peggy were extremely knowledgeable, and they gave a lot of great advice that I know I could take on and use for many, many years ahead.
So I am coming away learning my executive communication is really going to be enhanced in the workplace. I'm also taking home with me the fact that I am always on stage, as Joan likes to call it. So there is always somebody learning and watching and listening to what I'm saying or what I'm sharing in the workplace. So really this certification is just enhancing my toolkit to take home and just make me better in the office and better in my career.
The most valuable takeaway from this course and how I think it would impact my career, I would have to say it's embracing failure, right? Majority of the times, sometimes we hit hurdles and we feel like, that's the end of it. But how I think this would benefit me in my career, just understanding that it's a part of the process.
One of the biggest things that I learned is actually to trust myself and just really understand how important my role is. I think that is very important. We have a tendency to be behind the scenes and to understand that we actually do matter. It's really kind of a big deal. The other thing is critical thinking, of course. And, we are here to help our executives be more efficient and to help them succeed in their positions.
Yes, I absolutely recommend the Elite Certification course for any administrative professional. This course was really instrumental in providing helpful tips and tricks, learning better ways to enhance my executive presence, also improve my executive communication in the workplace. So I'm really excited to take these really interesting and invaluable lessons back to my office and use them in my day-to-day.